Hello guys, this is your Korean teacher Eric. You can call me Mr. No. So last time we were talking about love. So how do we say love in Korean? So love was 사랑, right? So let's do a quick review. So what do you like? 뭐 좋아해요? What do you love? 뭐 사랑해요? And how about your hobby? Your hobby was 취미. So 제 취미는 요리예요. 저는 요리 좋아해요. I like cooking. If you're really confused with what I'm saying and you're like, what the heck is this guy saying? Then I guess it's time for you to check the previous video because you are missing quite important information. Okay, moving on. I wanna teach you guys some reactions. So, sometimes you just wanna sound like you're actually good at Korean when you're really not. In that case, you wanna say do some reaction, right? So for example, in English, you can say really? Wow, that's amazing. And you can just kind of carry on a conversation without even just actually speaking English if you know how to say really? Wow, amazing, right? So in Korean, you can do this too. So in Korean, really is 정말요? And make sure to get the surprise rule. 정말요? So it means really? So I love you. And you say, really? 정말요? That's what you want to say. 정말요. And you also want to do some reaction. So how about it is so amazing. Let me actually teach you a trendy word. Is that trendy? It's kind of old, but you can say that in many cases. So the term is 대박. So 대박. So 대 actually means big, and 박 is a Korean kind of like a fruit. So big fruit. So it's amazing. 대박 means wow, it is amazing. So let's say you met a celebrity, and then you tell your friends and be like, hey, I met Selena Gomez yesterday, and you're like, 정말? 대박. That's what you want to say. That's like, really? That's amazing. So that kind of carries on a conversation, I guess, if you know these two words. And moving on to the next word, you acted like you were actually being able to speak in English by using 정말, 정말요, and 대박. But now you got detected. People figured out that you cannot speak Korean. Then this is what you want to say. 한국어 잘 못해요. So 한국어, as you can see, it means Korean. 잘 means well. 못해요 means cannot. So Korean well cannot. So I cannot speak Korean well. 한국어 잘 못해요. Let's actually apply this. How about 영어 잘 못해요? That means I cannot speak English well. 잘 못해요 was you cannot do it well. How about you can do it well? It's 잘 해요. 저는 I 한국어 Korean 잘 해요. Can speak Korean well. 저는 영어 잘 못해요. I cannot speak English well. So you kind of let's say you 영어 잘해요, but your 한국어 잘 못해요, and you kind of want to keep up the conversation, then this is what you want to say. 영어 잘 해요? That means, do you speak English well? So all you need to know is, really? 정말요? 대박! 한국어 잘 못해요? And 영어 잘 해요? And you can actually have a conversation. If that person says 영어 잘 못해요, and just walk away.
Hey, make sure to subscribe to my channel.
Okay, and how about this? How do you say I don't know? I don't know. I don't know. 잘 몰라요. So 잘 is well, 몰라요 is don't know. Well, don't know. I don't know well. So 한국어 잘 못해요. I cannot speak English well. 한국어 잘 몰라요. I don't know Korean well. 영어 잘 몰라요. Okay guys, so how was it? How was my tutorial today? Did it really help you? I guess you can kind of have a conversation with a Korean person if the Korean person can speak English. If you know, and also if you know how to say 정말요 and 대박 and 영어 잘 하세요, which means do you speak English well? Sometimes you want to just pick up the conversation from somewhere, right? There's some point that you need to start from. So everybody has a beginning. So how did you guys like my video? I hope that this video helped you just to get your confidence in learning Korean. And if you want to be part of my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, Mr. No, and click the like button and hit the notification button because I do a lot of interesting videos. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. 안녕!